Hi guys, welcome to my uh, analysis video of Bank Nifty. Let's see what happened in the market today. I just had all the indicators. Just a minute. So you can clearly see Bank Nifty was quite sideways today. Yesterday I told you in my yesterday's video that Bank Nifty, if it opens within the CPR, since it's a kind of wide CPR, it will remain sideways and within the CPR for whole day. Except for this first candle, I think Bank Nifty remained sideways whole day. It's not easy to predict the moment just based on the spot chart. Anyways, just a minute. So it was not like it was completely untradeable, but you should have a view in the market, whether it's a bearish view or bullish view. Unless you have that kind of a bias in the market, difficult to get the trade. Suppose just by seeing this red move, red candle first, two red candles, if you thought market was bearish, okay, then you should stick on to that bearish view for the day. So it's not so easy to say whether the market will be in bearish or bullish mode, because many days when you see a first candle or second candle is such a big red candle, market tends to be bullish once it breaks the high of this candle. Generally, you can see, I'll show you previously also. Anywhere, if you see the first candle is a very big red candle, see. Market came down, became very ultra bullish day. It was a very big bullish day. Same we can say anywhere. If the bullish trend has to continue, but does that market will try to break this high of the red candle, which is a bullish sign. That is a bullish sign, clear bullish sign. But here also you can see, but somewhere here you can see, I think market. So it created a green candle and it stayed between this range actually. First candle was a green candle. Market broke out of that, showed some bullish sign, but finally came into this particular first candle zone, and it tried to remain within that zone for whole day. This was the expiry, I think Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, it was the worst day actually for Bank Nifty, because on the same day Nifty was moving higher and Bank Nifty was in the range. So next day you can see it was a bullish day. 6th July was a clear bullish day because the market was creating. This is easy to trade. This day was an easy day to trade. Somewhere from here I can see 7th July market, even though first candle is a red candle, market is doing some kind of liquidity sweep of this zone and falling, and it's falling back to make new lows. Somewhere here also I can see the red candle, market went up till previous day high, fall. Green candle, market stayed in the green region. It couldn't go up, sustain. It was a trend line kind of thing. You can see channel fell from there. So it's not able to sustain the upside move. Market is not able to sustain the upside move. It's just falling. Red candle, not able to sustain, fall. So this pattern is repeating for many years. If you see, if the market is just by seeing last 2-3 days sentiments of the market, going up, falling, you can make out. Definitely still here, I think 5th July the market trend was positive. 6th July, I don't know what news was there on that day. I think some kind of a, because yeah, the US markets closed negatively on that day, remember. So because of that, next day it was a huge gap down, the Friday. Yeah, till here I think market was bullish, I can say. So here you can say 1, 2, 3, 4 continuous days of bearishness in the market. So you can clearly see market, if it does the same thing even tomorrow, first candle red is getting broken, the first candle red candle or whatever, first candle low is getting broken, definitely, and its candle is trading below it, definitely you can see the bearishness will continue. Tomorrow let us see, like this is the overall sentiment I'm telling. So if you know the overall sentiment or structure of the market, it is easy to find entries. If you're bullish, you will definitely find entries in C, right? If you're bearish, you will find entries in P. But first, for that, you should know what side of the market has got momentum on a particular day. Correct. So how do you guess that? See, the first 1 or 2 candles, okay, first 5 minutes you cannot guess market momentum. At least from second candle you should be able to guess it, right? If you go into 1 minute chart, you should be able to guess it. What is the momentum for the day? Is it going to continue the last day's momentum, previous day's momentum, or it is going to change for the day? You can see previous days, even though it was a gap up, market was not ready to push higher very easily. It was doing this very, even though Nifty did very good momentum upside, but this was not ready to go. So simple, it crashed. It's good that candles are moving. Basically, you're getting some movement. At least I can see yesterday, day before yesterday, I got 400, 300, 400, 450 points momentum you're getting. If you get 400, 450 points momentum, definitely it's a good day. Here also you can see 200 points momentum downside, some movement upside, 200, 240 points upside. Okay, again it fell 300 points. Definitely you're getting good momentum, even though it's not a single direction, but this is what operators will do. Yesterday I told you, operators don't have any particular bias. I feel they don't even want to fall from these particular zones. Yesterday I marked this zone, or think I remember very well. So I had marked this zone yesterday. Market came to that zone. That's what. They don't even have an intention to buy and take a breakout of this zone and go up. Nor they have an intention to completely sell this. So what you have to do is, first you have to find the structure, or what do you call the context of the market, bearishness or bullishness, and based on that you have to take trades on only those sides for the day. Even if the market is going up against you, you should try to find entries in P side. Even if suppose if it's already the bearish context is already established for the day, suppose already you can see last 3 days bearishness is there. Definitely high probability today will be a bearish day. Tomorrow continuously 4 days is there. What is the probability tomorrow it will happen? Tomorrow might be a bullish day. So we have to plan in such a way that first 2 candles will come to know what is the sentiment of the market. If there is real strength in the bulls or bears, they'll show it on the screen. They'll continuously fall for 1 or 3, 4 candles definitely, or they'll continuously go up. Correct. So the momentum, if you establish properly, definitely, I'm telling in 5 minutes candle. See, here it was difficult to trade on Monday. Momentum was bullish, came down. Monday was a tricky day. If you see properly, Monday was not an easy day. But here and all, we clearly know it will be bearish momentum because market is not going up. It's becoming flat. Somewhere here also I'll show you. See, here also it is becoming flat. Somewhere you'll know market will come to you get sold off. So in that way, you have to create your own story in your mind, saying what will be the context for today. Once you have that context or story in your mind, that you look for entries in those sides. You will not try to look for, when a market is coming upside, you will not look for C entries. You will always try to look for P entries so that the stop loss will be less. If you want to enter C side, stop loss will be huge. If you enter on this candle and keep the stop loss here, just saying as an example, we will not do this, but if you have the context that market is not bullish, it's bearish, you will see it as a retracement or pullback to go down. That's what happened, right? It's just a liquidity sweep. If you see in 15 minutes time frame, nothing more than liquidity sweep today. See, yeah. Even though this candle closed above it, but next candle you can see it sweep the liquidity and came coming down. That's all. There's a lot of manipulations. Market won't move in a very structured or systematic manner, but somewhere if you establish that kind of a context for the market, whether it's a bearish or bullish sign, you can actually trade very well and you'll get entries based on order flow concepts. Okay, let me show what you could have traded today. Okay, yesterday also I told like it's very difficult to trade these markets, but somehow I have found a way using order flow concepts where we can trade. Example, suppose in the morning you, let me shift to 1 minute chart, or otherwise I'll show you. Morning you felt that somewhere it was bearish. Morning, because of this big red candle, breakdown of the first candle, you felt it's bearish and this is a pullback to get down. So what you will do is basically you will mark this is the last pullback for the market. You can see this is the last pullback before coming down. So this is the order flow, right? So here they will be accumulating the buy orders to come down. So definitely what you will do next time, it breaks down. When again the candle comes to this area, definitely you will find an order block in a lower time frame. I'll just mark them. So where do you find an order block here? Clearly you can see there is an order block here. Clear imbalance is there. See, your stop loss will be somewhere above here, because this area is not a very big area. You can even have a stop loss of 20-30 points still here. Hardly how much? Let me show. 26 points. So it will be 10-15 points in your premium chart. 15 to 16 points. Okay, if it's an ITM or ATM, it will be 15 to 16 points. That's it. So see, you could easily target this in 1 minute. Don't even have a doubt about this concept. It works. 140 points is not a joke. 140 points you got somewhere by 12 o'clock. It was a slow move, but you got it. What I am telling is, you can use this concept. Definitely you can use this concept. Somewhere if you trade from here till here, this is a low. 130 in ITM you would have got more than if I'm not wrong, 80 points. Definitely 80 points is achievable, because momentum is bearish. Definitely you'll get more than 50% of your spot chart, right? So this is all. Okay, so these are traded. So next, what happened? Again market is going up to the same zone. So yeah, what you could mark here is, again this will continue, correct? But market didn't come here, it fell. So what you could mark here, so this was the kind of order flow in a 1 minute time frame, correct? This was broken. Again look for entries here in this zone. Okay, would have entered here with a stop loss here. Suppose I told you like 50% of this zone of this order flow, basically you can mark. You can mark, take trades here, stop loss at this high. Right? What is the stop loss? I'll just tell you. 23 points, or say maximum 15 points in your ITM options, right? Never hit your stop loss. Done. What is the low you should target? Target the day's low. And it didn't give a chance to exit. It went like that only. You never had to exit it. If you are conservative trader, you would have exited here at this point, 44,747, 744. It went away. It came like a crashing like a something, and somewhere you should be, somewhere when you find these red green candles somewhere here, you have to be exiting this. When you find green candle here and a red candle here, the next green candle, it didn't break the high of this red candle. If it had broken, then this was the right time to enter. Okay, somewhere here came here. This red candle high was broken by this green candle. Should exit here. This was a how much points? Let me tell you. It was an easy day today. It was not very tough. 248 points. 248 points in spot chart. Minimum 150 points in ITM. For sure. 150 points is damn sure. You'll get it aramse. That's what. So these concepts, if you establish the context in the market, like if it's a bearish or bullish, definitely you will get good trades. Marking these order blocks, order flows is very easy. Okay. Anyone can mark this, but you have to establish the bullishness or bearishness. How do you do it? In a higher time frame. Basically, if you go to 15 minutes, since we are trading in, you have to See the bearishness, whether market is continuing to be bearish. How do you mark? See, Bank Nifty is a bit tricky to establish what is the real trade. I mean, what is the real trend of the market? But somewhere you can see Nifty is bullish, still bullish. I don't think so. Until this low is taken out, I don't think so. Nifty is bearish. You may get entries in both sides, that is different. But Bank Nifty clearly it can say in a very lower time frame, it is bearish. You can clearly see it is making a channel. Even though not very big down moments are coming, the lower lows are not very far away, but still a context is established. So now, example I will tell you. See, somewhere here when this low was taken, 45,000 was taken out, I think I had told you, market will turn bearish. Okay, see, once this low was taken out, here market actually became bearish to an extent in lower time frame, 15-minute time frame. Don't take me in the higher time frame. Higher time frame, I am still bullish on Bank Nifty. I don't know when it will give a breakout, but just see, when this low was taken out, it was confirmed market is turning to be bearish, because this was kind of a, let's say not this, this low was a protected low, because from here market went up. So definitely market should go up or protect this low. So somewhere 45,000 was a crucial support. When it got broken, definitely market will come and test that upside once again to see whether there are sellers there. Still there. It came one day, came down. It came second day, almost it came to the same level, came down. Third day, it didn't come to that level, because already established it is downtrend. But still it gave a pullback to the upside and fell. That's what. So tomorrow, what is the context? Again tomorrow it can come to this level, 44,800, this zone. Let me mark this. You can clearly see before breaking down, market made this zone, right? It created a kind of a consolidation before breaking down. This zone is the zone where it's a very big zone. It's not a small zone. Almost 178 point zone. Okay. So this zone will now become an important resistance for the market. Okay. How we can identify? Suppose I take, this is the last up move before coming down. You can say this particular zone, right? This particular zone is still unmitigated as an order flow. You see, as an order flow, this order flow, the market broke this zone. It is now, will definitely come and test this. Where it can come? 50% mark, 50% zone. We mark 50%. So this zone, correct? 44,822. Tomorrow market, what it can do? Just see the confluence of, yeah. Tomorrow high chance market can do the same thing. Okay. Suppose market breaks this area and tries to go up from the previous day high. Confirm it's a bullish trend. So wait for market to play around here. If you have a bearish context in mind, look for order flows or order blocks on top side. Let the market come down and mark the order blocks. And again market comes there, take a trade. Definitely you will get a trade. If market breaks this zone, okay, now it is targeting this zone. So until from here to here, it will be very fast move, but it's a bullish move. Here also you can capture. If the market goes slowly, 300 points, you can still capture, right? I'm not telling it will become bullish, ultra bullish, and will break out 45,500, 45,600 tomorrow only. What I'm saying is, tomorrow market wants to break previous day high or this particular zone. Let it go. You turn bullish for tomorrow. But if it is respecting this zone and trading below this, still it is bullish, bearish. That is it, right? So this is what I can say. Tomorrow is a very narrow CPR, high chances, will be trending day. I expect the market to come down till this zone. Basically, let us see. I'm not very sure. Can be a breakout day also. tomorrow can be breakout day, or market still wants to be searching for taking out the stop loss of all these people who went long. They'll add the stop losses somewhere here, 43,700, 800, or maybe here, we don't know, 44, 250, somewhere near the S2 levels. Okay, or previous this low, this whatever zone. Tomorrow's previous low S1, S2 are very crucial, because market can even reverse from here. If it comes very fast without giving any trade and start accumulating or consolidating here, high chance it will go up, can go up from here tomorrow. Because already you can see here, even as per Fibonacci, if you see, just mark this zone. Let me mark this. How much correction already Bank Nifty has made? Let us see. Okay, Bank Nifty has already made 50% correction from its last up move. High chance it can come and test this 44,350 and reverse from there as per Fibonacci. Okay, so this is not like Fibonacci will work every time, but watch out these levels: 44,357, okay, and 44,607. These zones definitely high. Already today it has reversed from that zone. Okay, we can mark these zones actually. If it's breaking 44,357, if it's really breaking with a strong red candle, definitely it will target this also. We don't know. This will make the market very bearish actually. If it's reversing from somewhere between these two, it's good for the market. But if it's breaking this and not respecting this, I'm not telling this as a particular line as such, I'm telling as a zone. As a zone somewhere here, you can mark this zone. Let me mark. So you can say keep 44,358 to 44,300. So this is kind of a zone, 50-point zone mark. Telling if it's not respecting this zone and falling, it's understood, clearly understood. Market wants to come down more. This is not the real support and resistance, but we can have a clue saying what will market do. Now that 50% correction has been done, definitely market will try to bounce back from this zone. You can clearly see 44,600. It has reversed almost from some exact point. High probability market can reverse and give a good correction till 45,145. I am looking out for this, but if it is not respecting this, this is the zone. If it is respecting this, I will just draw the map. See, if it is respecting this zone, definitely market go up, fall like this. Okay, this is one probability. Otherwise, market, if it's not respecting this, straightly go till here. Okay, it will see somewhere. It may consolidate here only. It can go slowly also, or it can, if it goes very fast, very slowly, it will come down like this. Okay, I'm not telling exactly here. It will come down gradually in the second half. If it goes very slowly, consolidating all the orders, there is another probability where if it goes very slowly like this, since tomorrow is an expiry, okay, it will not come back. It will go and it will be a bullish expiry and close somewhere here. Okay, these are the probabilities. 3 probabilities are there. Or what I feel is, if we have any gap down or gap up scenario, market might open gap down at S1 or S2 level. Okay, if it's a gap down, definitely market will take support somewhere here or go till here, and second half expiry move will be upside, and will be target will be R2 or previous day high like this. Otherwise, if it's opening as a gap up, then definitely the bearishness will continue within this range. If it's a gap up, it will be like this. If it's outside this range, market, if it wants to continue the bearishness, it will be very slow here. It will do like this. It's not breaking out of this zone. If it forms a order flow to the downside, this was definitely any of the one side will be a very strong move tomorrow. I am expecting the market might do one more round of selling tomorrow till here, especially Bank Nifty. I'm not telling about Nifty. So Bank Nifty, there is a probability one more round of selling will happen, and maybe when everyone turns completely bearish, thinking that everything is going down gradually. I think someday, maybe Monday or next Friday. I don't think so. Friday will be a dry day. If it becomes a this one, so tomorrow will be very crucial for market to decide whether it's going to be bullish, because 50% range is there. If it's really bullish, I want to still correct more. All depends on tomorrow. I expect market to correct more. Let us see. If it's breaking out from here, that power will not be there. Real power comes from 61.8 levels, because see, when it moves from here, we'll have such a big range, 1371 points. Be a one big trending day. Definitely can cover this in one day. Bank Nifty generally does this, right? One day it will give 1000 points. This will be a very good day. What happens? I don't know when it will happen, but it can happen. Being expiry, I don't think so, but let us see. Still, the bearish sentiment is still there. It's not completely like Bank Nifty is bluffing. The bearish sentiment is still continuing in Bank Nifty. So unless it breaks this particular zone, whatever I marked here, this is like a previous high, it will remain bearish. So tomorrow also might be a small range like this. It will fall somewhere here, go up. So watch out. I think what is more important in trading is not knowing where to sell. I mean, not knowing what are the levels to buy or sell. Just marking these zones yesterday. I mean, one day prior to the zone, and trading from there. I can see a lot of YouTube channels telling I told you this zone. If it reverses from there, buy it. If it reverses from there, sell it. No, it won't work like that. To be frank, it's not easy to trade that way. People may think after the post market, whatever the errors they gave, it worked. But trading is different, analysis is different. Trading is a completely different ball game. We have to, because we don't trade on spot charts. Basically, we trade on premium charts, option charts. So option charts move in a completely different way. You may be seeing big red candles here, and the option premiums won't be moving. You may be seeing big green candles here, but premiums will be moving nothing. It is not making any movement. So somewhere, see, these are affected psychologically, right? Basically, you have to have finally, what I can say is have a good context of the market. What is the real context? What can market do? Because overall context is bullish. Market is a small correction way. So always look for scalping. Look for order flow. Have a small stop loss. Look for order blocks. And trade in the pre-decided direction. Always look for direction. I think that's it. I mean, I have covered most of these are very nitty-gritties, or what do you call minute details of trading. I think no one on the YouTube channel, I'm not claiming that I know everything, but no trader on the YouTube tells all these details, because they share this on all this in their paid seminars, webinars, what they call coaching. They give a lot of they charge hefty amount of 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and they try to make it a very big secret. These are not secrets. These are easily available in YouTube, and all these publicly available. Order flow concept is publicly available information. They sell this as some course in some YouTube channels. So I just wanted to create this awareness to everyone. Whatever SMC concepts, SMC liquidity concepts, order block, order flow trading, and all is not a big concept. So what is the big concept? What is big in trading is how you manage your risk and how you view the market, whether it's bullish or bearish, whether you see market as a sideways, how you take your risk, how much stop loss you are planning to take, and what is the target you take. Those are the main aspects of trading. Marking these zones or marking these order flows are all, I think, known to each and everyone who are in trading career. I mean, I'm not saying it. Who are in trading space for a lot of years. Most of us know to mark order blocks, order flows. Just that you should know the sentiments of the market. That's it. I mean, sorry. I think if you found this content useful, share this to everyone. I'm not telling share this video. Share this knowledge to everyone. Because I see a lot of negativity in internet saying that 90%, 95% traders are in loss. People are telling that no one is able to make money. I see a lot of these trading gurus, so-called, who show their lot of screenshot making, telling they made 2 crores, 10 crores, 5 crores. Especially I've seen, I don't want to name them. If they are so brilliant and they're so good at trading, why don't they share their tips to the people for free? Tell me. So reason is simple. They want to sell their courses basically. Not that they are not good traders. They are good traders. They want to make additional income out of selling this knowledge to everyone. That's it. Not that, see, I'm not with the intention of selling this as a knowledge to anyone, because knowledge should be free. Whatever knowledge is there in the public domain, it should be freely, because many people fail to understand that this trading is not about just knowledge. It's about execution, how you execute it, right? How you take stop loss and all that. Trade management is more important than all these concepts. I hope you get my point, and I'll talk about these things further videos going ahead. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.